Hi guys, this week the AVATA 2 came out, and we ordered the AVATA 2. We're just waiting for it to come in. And today we thought, I've been watching everybody flying the AVATA, so we decided to take out our original AVATA and just do a little bit of flying. So enjoy.
Closing time, the bar is almost empty. It's me, the bartender, and the piano man. The last call for alcohol has come and gone. Hey buddy, time to go home. Sounds like a messed up plan. It's just the thought of you that's more than I can take. I guess some hearts were made to break. Outside the night is warm and quiet. I hear the neon signs and the street lights buzz. The lovers, the one night stands, and the ones who buy it have all put to rest one more day's fuss.
Okay guys, I have my fun. It's a little bit windy today, We flew the Avata in sport mode most of the time, but we just did a little bit of playing around there. It's been a little while since I flew the Avata, so the weather has sucked. It's been windy, it's been rainy. So today, they called for rain all day, but we've actually had sunshine, just a little bit of wind. So we're hoping to get the Avata 2 this week, and hopefully we'll run into some nice weather and get to test that out. I know one thing, I love the original Avata. I'm definitely going to keep it. It is a great little drone. But from what I've seen of the Avata 2, all the extra little features that it has, better camera, easy access to the SD card slot, that it's a little bit lighter, the goggles are better, the pass-through, easy acro, just a number of stuff that I've seen online there is absolutely amazing. The price was a little amazing too, but we definitely had to have one, just like everyone else. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's little flight, and hopefully we'll catch you next time with the Avata 2. See you later. Thanks for watching.